Hey Tup fans, how are we today? Beautiful Sunday afternoon in Adelaide. Not quite, we've had about 8 mils of rain today, so excuse me, a bit overcast and cloudy. I have here my second mystery pack for this month, and it's different. The other one came in a box. If you remember the other day, I showed you what was in that. I wonder what's in this. It feels like it's got a lot of different things in it. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. I'm not looking. I'll give you a quick look. Oh, bit of fun. Never mind. Oh, what have we? Oh, oh, one at a time. Oh, oh, that is a 175. Oh, it's a draw canister, the tiny little 175ml draw canister. Yes, could do with another one of those. What else have I got? A container, a yellow container, no name on it. It's, can't see what the mils are. Yes, I can. Through 500ml little a little bowl. Excellent, very handy. Oh, what else? Something flat. Oh, it's another princess form. Oh, I love these. You can't have enough of them. Or mini. What does it say? It's a, oh, it doesn't say. Yes, it does. Princess form? It is princess form. Yep. Beautiful for little tarts and little mini half size, oh, what am I thinking? Zucchini slices or quiches. And I'll tell you what, this fits in the Micro Pro grill. Wonderful. What else have I got? Something. Oh, a mixing bowl. Beautiful. They're still available. Now there should be a lid in here for this. There's so much in this one, it's amazing. I don't think I've ever had that much. Another one. Oh, the pastry, yeah, that thing. It's one of these. One of those, great for cutting pizzas and pastry and lifting cutting tarts and all that sort of stuff. Wonderful. There's still more. Ah, a breakfast maker or an omelette maker. Look at that, the micro. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Got 2 microwaves. What else is there? I think it might be big. Oh yes, it's the round keeper. Round keeper with the vineyard lid. Nice. No D, it's not pink. It's red. I know D loves pink. Can't help with it. And that's it. Wow, what a mystery pack. Check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Amazing. It makes me want to get another one. And you really should check them out because right now we have a Black Friday 30% off everything that's not marked down already. And guess what? The mystery packs are included. $35 reduced down to $22 something. $22.40. Anyway, do the maths. Check it out. Use BLKFRI 30 in the discount code at the checkout and you'll get 30% off. Amazing. Right, that's all for now. Bye folks. Thanks for watching.